Today's primary is the first major election since the governor signed off on legislation to automatically allow all people released on parole to vote. Our Capitol correspondent Corina Cappabianca explains what those changes are.
New law passed during the legislative session automatically returns voting rights to those formerly incarcerated for felony violations once they're released on parole.
As soon as someone is released onto parole, they are told specifically your right to vote has been restored. They're given the opportunity to register to vote right in that moment. There's follow-up in case they don't get told at that very moment.
Jennifer Wilson with the League of Women Voters says the new system is more streamlined.
The old rule that was essentially an executive order that allowed for partial pardons of people on parole to allow them to vote. There had to be notice given from the governor's office, and essentially the governor had to sign every single one of these partial pardons. So a very laborious, onerous process.
Additionally, she says in a lot of cases, people were not informed that their voting rights had been restored. Victor Pate with the New York Campaign for Alternatives to Isolated Confinement also says there were delays.
People, even after they were issued their conditional pardons, were having difficulties in registering and also being allowed to vote because apparently this had not filtered down to the various levels.
Pate says allowing formerly incarcerated people to be part of the civic process helps them to connect with the community.
When a person is out and you have the opportunity to be back in the community with your family and with others, then I think that just having the right to vote is only the right thing to do.
In Albany, Corina Cappabianca,